What's up everyone, I'm Jessie and I'm here in the Harley-Davidson garage. Today I'm going to show you the Daymaker LED forward auxiliary lights for the Pan America. The Harley-Davidson Pan America 1250 and Pan America 1250 Special models already feature a fantastic Daymaker signature LED headlamp. But if you really want to boost your visibility on the road or trail, you'll want to equip your bike with a pair of these Daymaker auxiliary lights. When you're adventure touring, the more visibility you have on the path ahead, the better. The Daymaker auxiliary lights have 3 beam options that will serve a variety of scenarios. Using the handlebar switch, you can select between the fog lights, driving lights, or off-road lights. The fog lights produce a wide pool of light directly in front of the motorcycle and out towards the edge of the road, which can be helpful when visibility is low. Next, the driving lights punch light further down the road, enhancing headlight performance. The third option is the off-road light setting. Turn these lights on and you will get a fantastic view of the trail. These illuminate 270 meters ahead and 50 meters to the side, so there's less of a chance of obstacles catching you off guard. Some local regulations prohibit using auxiliary high beam lighting, so be sure to check your local regulations before installing. Because these work with the Pan America, the Daymaker auxiliary lights are made to withstand whatever an off-road adventure can throw at them. They are waterproof and have a hard-coated anti-fog outer lens and powder-coated lightweight aluminium housing. The Daymaker auxiliary lights come as a pair, and the factory integrated design makes them easy to install, but an auxiliary light installation kit is still required. The installation kit comes with everything you will need to equip the Daymaker auxiliary lights onto the Pan America. You get a custom wiring harness, adjustable mounting brackets, a switchback, and installation instructions. For this and any other genuine Harley-Davidson products, visit harleydavidson.com or any authorized Harley-Davidson dealer. That's it from me, your favorite Australian. I'll see you again next time.